Hello dear students, this week you are going to learn how to make a fish. So now I am painting a base to keep my fish. I want to give water effect. So first I am giving a wash of water and later I am going to use blue paint on it. So once this painting is done, I am going to keep the paper aside for drying. So for this we need now scale, paper, scissor, glue and pencil. See, my base is ready and it looks like water, right? Yes. So let's start making fish. So I'm taking a 15 centimeter square paper. So first we'll fold it like a triangle. Please press nicely near the folding part. Open it. And now one side we will take it till the center. Press it. The other side. Repeat it. I'm using a chart paper to do this activity. You can use printer paper as well. Now open it. Make it again a triangle. Now hold it like a pyramid. And now we have to draw standing lines. It's very important how you hold this paper. So hold it like a triangle. And now just go on drawing standing lines from the place we have fold the paper. I'm going to draw almost 14 lines. You can take 1 centimeter distance between each line. So as you can see, I have done with the lines. Now we will cut these lines, but you have to cut only till the folded part. Be very careful while cutting. Now while cutting the final line, be very careful, don't cut it till the end of the paper, otherwise you will get two separate parts which we don't want. So see, here I have left little bit to cut. Now we'll take glue. This is how we have to paste it. So apply glue at one side. Now place the other side on this. Press it nicely. Do it gently. Your base of fish is ready. Now you can have this type of mouth, or you can have this type of mouth where I have stick the teeth. I'm going to make mouth like the red color fish. So let us see how to do it. You just have to cut this in a curve shape. Now these are some leftover scrap papers which I don't like to throw anyways, so I'm reusing over here. If you don't have like this colorful papers, that's absolutely fine. You can use same yellow color or any other color. So here is my tail ready. Just put little bit glue, don't put too much glue, it will take time to dry. Stick it, press it gently, otherwise the folds will not look good. Let us make the fins. So I'm taking two pieces over here together so that I get uniform size of fins. You can have different shape fins as well. You can have heart shape or round shape or a tear shape. I'm taking here this type of fins. Apply little bit glue and paste them. Now I want two uniform size of eyes. I didn't have googly eyes, so I'm using white paper over here. So again, if you see, I have fold this paper so that I get two uniform size of eyes. Draw one circle, cut it. Now I want to make the other side of mouth of fish. So I'm using this tear shape over here. Apply glue and place it like this. Again press it gently, don't be in a hurry. Now you can use your red color paper or pink color paper to show the tongue. I'm using your red sketch pen. If you do this activity with printer paper, your fish will be super flexible, but it will be that delicate as well. So now let's place it on our water paper and see how it looks. It looks cool, right? Thank you.